One thing that he mentioned that struck a chord with me is that he has an answering service. I personally ran a study and I found that 75% of people, when they call me and my voicemail picks up, they hang up. That's a problem.
That's me.
Right? Like if you guys raise your hands, I bet you 3 out of 4 of you guys hang up as soon as you hear a voicemail. That's the way that society is. In 2019, a voicemail equals a hang up. So we use an answering service now as well. So if you call my phone, even if you call it right now, you're going to get a live person who's going to answer that phone. I think that's so important in 2019 because nobody wants to leave a voicemail. They just don't. Well, if a seller calls me right now while I'm sitting here, I'm not going to grab my phone and walk out of the room. There's a lot of sellers where if they call you and you don't answer, they're going to call the next agent. They're going to call whoever Alexa told them to call. That's what's going to happen. So we use a service called Lex, L-E-X, Reception. It's like $200 a month. But I believe that the $2,400 a year that I pay them will easily get me 1 to 2 additional transactions because now I'm getting a live answer on every single call, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And it's helping me know who I need to return calls to and who I don't. Half the people that leave a message is some telemarketer that I don't need to call back. They just saved me from a 10 or 15 minute conversation. My time's worth $500 an hour. So if you save me from a 15-minute conversation, you just saved me $125. So it's well worth your time and your money.